Forgetting common household maintenance tasks can result in bigger problems down the road. Here are 25 home maintenance tasks you shouldn't forget as a homeowner. 1. Cleaning gutters. Clogged gutters can cause water damage to your home's foundation, roof, and walls. 2. Checking HVAC filters. Dirty filters reduce efficiency and air quality and can lead to system breakdowns. 3. Flushing the water heater. Sediment buildup can decrease efficiency and lifespan of your water heater. Inspecting roof and shingles. Regular inspections can prevent leaks and costly repairs. Sealing gaps and cracks. Prevent drafts and pests by sealing gaps around windows, doors, and foundations. Testing smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Ensure they're functioning and replace batteries regularly. Cleaning dryer vents. Lint buildup can cause fires and reduce dryer efficiency. Checking for plumbing leaks. Small leaks can cause water damage and mold growth. Servicing the HVAC system. Regular maintenance keeps the system running efficiently and extends its life. Inspecting the fireplace and chimney. Prevent fire hazards by ensuring they're clean and in good condition. Cleaning refrigerator coils. Dusty coils make your refrigerator work harder and use more energy. Trimming trees and shrubs. Overgrown branches can damage your home and invite pests. Pressure washing the exterior. Keep your home looking fresh and prevent mold and mildew growth. Inspecting the foundation. Look for cracks or signs of settling that could lead to structural issues. Sealing the driveway. Prevent cracks and extend the life of your driveway. Checking the sump pump. Ensure it's working to prevent basement flooding. Cleaning window wells. Remove debris to prevent water from entering your basement. Maintaining caulking and grout. Prevent water damage in bathrooms and kitchens by keeping caulking and grout in good condition. Testing garage door auto reverse. Ensure the safety mechanism is functioning properly. Inspecting the attic and insulation. Check for proper insulation and signs of pests or water damage. Prevent pipes from freezing and bursting by properly draining and insulating outdoor water systems before cold weather sets in. Checking water softener salt levels is essential. Ensure it's working properly to prevent hard water issues. Cleaning the garbage disposal is important. Prevent odors and buildup by regularly cleaning the disposal. Inspecting outdoor lighting is crucial. Ensure pathways and entrances are well lit for safety. Checking for termites and pests is necessary. Regular inspections can prevent costly infestations.